Resetting your Honeywell Thermostat, a DIY guide.
Hello and welcome to this video where we'll explore whether you need a professional to reset your Honeywell thermostat or if it's something you can do yourself. The good news is that with a little guidance, you can easily perform this task at home.
Do you need a professional?
The answer is no, you do not need a professional. Resetting your Honeywell thermostat is a simple task that anyone can do. The process will typically involve just a few steps, which we will outline in the next section. It's important to remember that being careful and following instructions is key to successfully resetting your thermostat.
How to reset your Honeywell thermostat.
Firstly, you'll need to locate the reset button on your thermostat. This can often be found on the front face of the unit, but might be on the inside for some models. Next, press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. You should see the screen of your thermostat go blank or flicker, indicating that the reset process has begun. Once the screen comes back on, your thermostat should be back to its factory settings. Remember, after resetting, you'll need to reprogram your thermostat settings to fit your personal comfort preferences and energy-saving goals.
When might you need professional assistance?
While resetting your thermostat is a relatively simple process, there may be instances when you do need to call a professional. This could be when you've tried resetting the thermostat, but it's still not functioning correctly. You're uncomfortable handling electronics or home appliances. You suspect that there might be a larger underlying issue with your HVAC system. Always prioritize safety, and if you're unsure, don't hesitate to seek professional help. To wrap up, resetting your Honeywell thermostat is something you can usually do on your own. However, if you encounter problems during the reset process or if your thermostat doesn't work properly after the reset, you may need to consult with a professional. We hope this video has been helpful and wish you success in resetting your Honeywell thermostat. Remember, your comfort is important, so always ensure your thermostat is working as it should.